Welcome to Small Bite Sound Bites, a midweek segment of Food for Thought podcast where I, your host, Colleen Patrick-Goudreau, share short, succinct, thoughtful responses to typical questions, myths, and misconceptions related to plant-based eating, veganism, and animal protection. You can support this podcast today by going to joyfulvegan.com/donate. There's an assumption that because animal advocates care about animals, they don't care about humans, as if compassion for one species automatically means lack of compassion for another. Accusing animal advocates of being anti-human is odd to me, because though we're reminded every day that humans steal, lie, cheat, kill, rape, and hurt one another, I've never heard any of these people labeled anti-human. Ironically, those who commit the worst crimes against humans are derisively called animals. But truly, I don't think it gives humans enough credit to say that we can care only about one thing at a time. We humans have an unlimited capacity for mercy, kindness, and empathy. We're not going to run out. Not only do we not have to choose, it's precisely the idea that we should ration our compassion that prevents us from being the most compassionate people we can be. My heart is large enough to care about everyone, human and non-human, simultaneously, and I bet yours is too. For the animals, both human and non-human, this is Colleen Patrick-Goudreau. You can find me at joyfulvegan.com. Thanks for listening.